number one mistake that keeps you less than where you could be with profit is that you believe what is written on the invoice about what you should sell it for. So forget about that. But that's of no concern to you. It's not the supplier's business what you should be selling it for, and it's not your business to be concerned with what the supplier thinks you should sell it for. And the reason for that is because the supplier doesn't know the cost of running your business. We need to investigate the numbers to see what we need to do to achieve the optimal profit that helps us do all the things to pay for all the things in the business, pay ourselves, and then do what we want in life. So why would we be dictated to by a multinational company, usually, who has no clue what your operating costs are and what you're trying to do? So forget the RRP.